Hey folks, this is Alan Jones with HiFi Buys. I have an exciting announcement to show you. This is the new Sonos Roam, and we're going to pull it out of the box now. See if we can get it popped open. Wow, very compact. Got a little weight to it, means it's got some battery, which is really, really good. Should we say what I love about Sonos? You can read it one way and then read it the other. So let's go ahead and let's move on to the charger. This is what they call a Roam wireless charger. Very nicely packaged as always, and I believe that it comes with the USB charger here as well. So now we've got it plugged in, and this is actually how it charges. We're gonna go down to the park and listen to a couple of songs and do a little bit of using it. So the launch date is April 20th for this. We'll have them in stock and are taking pre-orders as we speak. So now we've got it all charged up, and I wanted to show you how the charger works. It's actually magnetized. We have actually turned it on with the power button on the back here. It's a big power button. You basically press it for 1 second and the unit comes on. Now what we're going to do is we are going to open up my Sonos app. You'll see it right here. So I will touch Sonos. Then it's going to be add your Sonos Roam. So I'm going to just hit the add button, and it's getting my Sonos Roam ready. You can see it, it's thinking. So what it's telling me to do is to turn this thing around, continue, and then tap the back of the phone. So as you can see, it's now connecting Sonos Roam to HifiBuys Alternate, which is what we use for all of our Sonos applications here. I'm gonna let it finish connecting, and then we're gonna play us some songs. Nice little tune going on. Another thing that's really, really important for you to understand, this is a waterproof device. So we can actually put this underwater, and we're going to show you that here in a minute, and actually have it play music while it's underwater. So you can see it is actually working underwater. It's kind of cool. We could do like 6 of these and do a fountain. That is friggin' cool. All right, folks, we're out here at Charlie Loudermilk Park, right at the corner of Peachtree Road and Roswell Road. Probably one of the louder little areas around, but we wanted to come out and sit in the park and play again the new Sonos Roam. So again, there's nothing like music in the park.